In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the built-in economic calendar on MetaTrader 5. If you want to keep track of important market-moving events without leaving your trading platform, the built-in economic calendar in MetaTrader 5 is a very useful tool. It helps you stay aware of scheduled economic releases, central bank announcements, and other events that can affect price movement across different markets. This can be especially helpful when you are planning entries, managing risk, or simply trying to understand why volatility may increase at certain times. To get started, look toward the bottom section of the MetaTrader 5 platform and go to the Toolbox area. This is the panel that contains several useful tabs for trading and platform information. If you do not immediately notice it, it is usually docked along the lower part of the screen. In many setups, the toolbox can be expanded or minimized, so make sure that section is visible before moving on. Once you are in the toolbox, click on the Calendar tab. This will open the built-in economic calendar directly inside MetaTrader 5. Here, you will be able to view a schedule of upcoming and past economic events in one place without needing to open a separate website or external tool. When the calendar opens, take a moment to look through the event listings carefully. You will typically see the time of the event, the country involved, and the name of the economic release or announcement. Depending on your platform layout, you may also see extra details related to each event. This makes it easier to quickly identify what is coming up and which events may be relevant to the assets you trade. A helpful tip here is to check the calendar before placing trades, especially if you are trading currencies, indices, or other instruments that can react strongly to economic news. Even if you are using a technical strategy, it is still a good habit to be aware of scheduled events that could create sudden volatility. Another useful practice is to keep the calendar accessible while you trade. Since it is built directly into MetaTrader 5, it can save time and help you stay organized during your trading session. Instead of switching between platforms or browser tabs, you can monitor economic events from within the same workspace where you analyze charts and manage positions. That's all you need to do to access the built-in economic calendar on MetaTrader 5. It's simple, quick, and a practical feature for staying informed about the events that can influence the markets.